In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Breakout rooms are a simple way to split a larger Zoom meeting into smaller, focused groups for discussions, activities, or brainstorming. You'll set them up right from your active meeting window, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start on your Zoom call window and look for the More option on your meeting controls. On desktop, this is typically at the bottom of the screen. On mobile, you'll tap the More button on the toolbar. From that menu, select Breakout Rooms. This opens the Breakout Room Setup panel, where you'll make a few quick choices before your participants head into their smaller sessions. First, enter how many breakout rooms you want. Think about the size of each group and the outcome you're aiming for. For example, if you have 20 participants and you want groups of 5, choose 4 rooms. If you want more intimate conversations, choose a higher number of rooms to make each one smaller. Next, choose how participants will be assigned. You'll see 3 options: assign automatically, assign manually, or let participants choose their own room. Assign automatically is great when you want Zoom to do the math and spread everyone out evenly with no extra work. Assign manually is useful when you want to curate each group, such as mixing experience levels or keeping teammates together. Let participants choose their room is ideal for topic-based sessions, where people can join the conversation that interests them most. Once you've set the number of rooms and the assignment method, click Create. That's it. Zoom builds the rooms based on your selections. At this point, the structure is ready and your meeting is set up for small group collaboration exactly the way you planned. If you don't see the breakout rooms option, make sure you're the host or a co-host. Confirm that your Zoom app is updated, and check that breakout rooms are enabled in your account settings before the meeting. Also, if you're on a mobile device, the placement of the More menu may vary slightly depending on your screen size. A quick tip on planning: estimate your group sizes ahead of time and decide which assignment method best supports your goals. Automatic is fastest, manual gives you control, and participant choice encourages autonomy and engagement. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, More, breakout rooms, your room count, your assignment preference, and Create, you're ready to guide your audience into productive small group sessions.